So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in this brand new video. Today this video is gonna be very special and also one of a important video for all of my viewers and subscribers because guys, do you know what is today? What is the day today? Yes guys, I wanna tell everyone that today and this video is the last and the second video of my challenge. Okay, means day 7 second video. And guys, as everyone knows, I have taken a challenge, and this challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge. Means in this challenge I have to make new practicing video of the American accent up to 7 days, and every day I have to make 2 videos in the morning and then in the evening. And guys, today is this video is the last video of my challenge. For your only support, today I completed my challenge, and this challenge was a great challenge. The journey was very hard. It was a little bit hard, but I also completed it. So guys, now I want to tell everyone that this challenge is over, and if anyone want to watch all of the videos, means all of the days, first video and the second video, rule by rules, then guys, I want to tell everyone that I have made a playlist. Okay guys, a playlist of 1 week for American accent challenge. You can go and search in my playlist. You will get the playlist in the first part, or in the end screen I will give you the playlist. You can click on it and you can watch all of the videos that I had practiced. So guys, everything is in practice. I always tell everyone, if you want to do something, if you want to master something, then you need only the patience and practice. And remember, try to do big dreams. Doesn't matter one day the dreams will be or it will not be, but just try to dream big. Like I am now also. It doesn't mean that my challenge is over. That's why I learned the American accent. You also can understand my speaking, my pronunciations. No one, and I am guaranteed that no one or no any human being can master any accent in only 1 week. But guys, I developed a lot and I am very satisfied with my developments. I learned a lot in this journey, how to use the T sound, how to use the T like D, and how to make the C silent, and the R sound in the American accent. And guys, I also learned many tips and tricks, many exercise of my mouth, okay, for to develop our American accent, for to speak in American accent, and with them many ideas, and I practiced a lot, and I also get a very perfect practice, and it is that storytelling practice. As everyone knows that I learned the English language, I learned how to speak the English by only the stories, by telling the stories, by explaining stories, and stories always provide me the stock words and stock sentences. So that's why I think that whenever I will speak another things in front of my audience, then I have to focus in the things also, the sentences also, and then on the other side of my brain I also have to think about my accent. But what if I make my old stories videos? It's also a great practice guys. If you want to enjoy the whole journey, then you can click on my and observe and enjoy my playlist. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video, in the second video. If you have any challenges for me, then guys, please comment me, like this type of support, always support me. And we also are very near about the 3K subscribers. So guys, you don't do anything, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. With hitting the bell icon, you are gonna get all of the notification of our videos. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Always remember, everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. Be crazy, do some new experiments, and YouTube is the best place for experiments. Okay, every day. And also it do not, and no one also are gonna say you that don't do this. If you do this, then you will fail, or in another particular videos. So just try to do experiments in your life. Bye bye guys, I will meet you in the next video. If you focus in the American accent, then guys your pronunciation will be good. So first of all, try to dream big. One day you are gonna achieve it. Bye bye.